Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up the EMA indicator in 3D view. This is a useful tool for identifying trends and tracking price movements more smoothly. Let's get started. On your Tradingview Supercharged dashboard, to set up the EMA indicator, all we need to do is click on the indicators at the top of the dashboard. Once we're there, we just need to type in the name, and here we can see the moving average exponential. We just need to select this one. As you can see, the blue lines represent the EMA. If we hide it and then show it again, you can clearly see the EMA. That's how we set up the EMA indicator in 3D view. With this simple addition, we can improve our technical analysis and make better trading decisions.